fantastic time to get that pool work done, especially for an older pool. That is why at Veterans Pool Company, a company run by veterans, always a pleasure to...
Yes, AM can sound that good.
GreatAgain.com, making older pools great again.
This only gets the strong stations.
7 of Abraham's children.
Local stuff.
Abraham as much as any Jew is.
Will cancel. Offer ends 3/30/25. Terms apply.
William is one of millions of Americans who uses GoodRx to save on the cost of their prescription.
Good for you. You need to buy an AM transmitter. This stuff on AM just sucks.
For some 530,000 Cubans, Haitians, and other immigrants. And Grammy Award-winning black rapper Cheryl Saltz.
Fires so we can fulfill at least one of his campaign promises. Axios reports the White House talking about putting the richest Americans back into a higher tax bracket. Right now they pay 37%. Thanks to the tax cuts from 2017.
Here we go. Better
if
focus.
Those tax cuts expire, they go up to...
Shut up. Play some music.
186. Bye, bye, bye.
Blah, blah, blah.
Kramer that says that.
Playing NBA history.
It reminded me of Reggie Miller and the Knicks.
Okay, so we all saw the same thing?
100%.
Okay, so they...
Back to FM.
No swimming, no water.
Gonna turn it up loud, see how loud it gets.
It's the return of a dance called A.
No open house.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on streets since my mama stayed in them.
For me, it's loud enough at the halfway point. It's pretty nice. Gotta keep it short.
David Drake.
56 volts.
Advantage plan.
Meanwhile, Los
Performance of the attic.
Don't worry.
Just wasting time now.
Now in about
Safe to say I'm the biggest.
backyard cookouts too.
This backyard cookout weather? Nope. Not today. Another express going by.
Kroger. Fresh.
Play some music, damn it.
Finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple in, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, I had to go do it. They say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on streets, my mama played in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat.
Room filling sound, that's for sure. This room's a freaking mess as always. So yeah, thanks for watching.